I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to fix your Infiniti G35 fuel gauge. We will cover identifying the root cause, which often involves the fuel sending units. You'll learn how to safely access these components located under the rear seats. We'll then walk through cleaning or replacing them to restore accurate fuel readings. This guide aims to help you confidently tackle this common issue. Many G35 owners experience inaccurate fuel readings, where the gauge might show empty even with several gallons remaining. Sometimes, the needle gets stuck or bounces erratically. These issues often point to the fuel level sending units. Your G35 has two of these sensors, one on each side of the fuel tank, and both can contribute to incorrect readings. To begin, disconnect your car's battery for safety. Next, remove the rear seat by pulling up on the two release clips located at the front edge. You will find access panels for the fuel sending units beneath. Carefully disconnect the electrical connectors and fuel lines. Then, remove the unit, often secured by 6 to 8 mm bolts. Clean the sensor's resistive track using isopropyl alcohol and cotton swabs. For your safety, always ensure the fuel tank is as close to empty as possible before starting this repair. Work in a well-ventilated area to prevent the buildup of fuel fumes. Since both sending units can fail, consider replacing both simultaneously for a more reliable and lasting solution. While a do-it-yourself cleaning is possible, professional replacement can average over $2,000.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.